What floor are you going to, sir? I have a meeting on the 11th floor. Coming right up. Thank you. Have a good day, son. Never call me son again. You're not my dad. No, but I brought you up, didn't I? Ground floor, please.
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
I just wanted to say I'm sorry. Because you thought you were my dad? No, son. Because I let you down.
Oh!